my father remembered a beautiful woman with purple eyes who danced with Sir Barristan Selmy and several others. As the end of the evening approached, Brandon Stark asked her for one more dance on his shy brother's behalf. And so, Eddard Stark shared the last dance of the celebration with Lady Ashara Dayne.
I can feel your heart hanging in the air. I'm counting every step as you climb the stairs. It's buried in your bones, I see it in your closed eyes turning in.
Why are you looking at me like that?
This is harder than we know. We hold it in the most when we're wearing thin. Coming like a hurricane, I take it in real slow. The world is spinning like a weather vane, fragile and composed. Though I am breaking down again, I am aching now.
Love will let you out.
I'll never forgive you.
Seven times it came when you were not awake. Seven times the flame, too much to take.
a very long time to meet you. And you are more perfect than I
The
ever
sky
could imagine.
burns red against your skin. The world we know turns in the wind to let you in.
Arthur's death? Don't think I don't understand loyalty just because I've got no one left to be loyal to.
I don't know how it can change. It's all we know, the hurricane.